Oh my god, my new visor's tight! Do I want to break the law? Am I gonna break the law? Oh my god, I am. Oh, lady is looking at me. She didn't like that I just did that. Yeah, I went the wrong way. There's a rock in my shoe! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm on my way to go get some food. I'm starving. I ain't eat all day. I kind of don't know where I'm going, to be honest. I've never gone to where I'm going from where I came from, and I don't have my maps up. So I'm hoping I'm going the right way. I guess we'll find out though. Also, peep the new visor. Just got it. This is my first ride with it, and oh my god, the inside of this visor has like this tint of yellow. I don't know why. I don't know what happened there. I don't know if it was intentional or not, but everything looks amazing. It's like I have this ND filter. You guys know what an ND filter is? GoPro ND filters. They're really cool. I wish I had one, but that's what I feel like is over my visor right now. It's really insane. It's also really fucking cold. I didn't wear all my layers because I thought it'd be warmer out, and I was wrong. It's like 50 degrees, which isn't as bad as it's been, but it's still pretty cold. Here we go. Traction control. Why is my traction control turning on? Oh my god, dude, I'm freezing right now. I'm so cold. Just want to do some wheelies, but my traction control is not letting me. See that? It's turning on. Usually it doesn't. Also, peep the alien socks. Kind of windy. Also, I'm realizing right now, I don't think my visor's on all the way. I feel wind coming in. That is a problem for another time. Oh, you're going really slow, buddy. Yeah, baby! Second gear. Baby. Yes, sir. What is that? That thing is hecka low. Look how low that trailer is. Oh my god. Oh, it's cold. I regret not wearing more. Need to wear more layers. Yes, baby. Okay, sir, no problem. No problem at all. Oh, it's cold! And it's windy! There we go, we're going to Canes! Oh, I'm so hungry. Look at this fool. What's up, dog? Woo! Alright, it feels warmer. Feels warmer going slower. I am a fan of not driving as fast as we were, because there's less wind. Oh, but I need to get in between all of these cars, which means I'm going around you, because I'm not waiting back there. Oh my god, I'm not waiting for all these cars either. You're gonna get stuck back there. Look at that CRX. Oh, a Mercedes, an AMG. Alright, I think we need to go this way. I'm really hoping we do, because I don't want to be wrong. I also am hungry and want to get my food as quick as possible, so let's hope that I'm right. There's a lot of traffic here. I really don't want to wait in all this. Oh, do I want to break the law? Am I gonna break the law? Oh my god, I am. I'm not sitting back there. So impatient when I'm on my bike. It's not worth there's no point. There's no point in sitting there waiting. I could literally do whatever I want. It's a free country. What are you looking at, fool? Oh, the lady is looking at me. She didn't like that I just did that. That's okay. I went the wrong way. No, I didn't. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yeah, I went the wrong way. Well, I guess we're turning right here. I think I'm gonna go right here. There's something in my eye. I think it's right here. No, it's not. Oh, yes, I can smell it. I can smell it already. There it is. All right, now we're to look at that bike. Should I park next to him? No, he took the entire spot. There's no way I can park next to him. We'll just park up here. 20 minutes? I don't need more than 20 minutes, right? This big ass spot for just me. Yep, it'll do, I guess. A little tracer. I guess we'll wait. All right, guys, the bag is secured. Canes is in my backpack. We did it. What's up, bro? Damn. Hey, what size is that? It has the same engine. Do they? What year is that? 16. That's cool. I think those are the tracers. I don't really know, to be honest. My wheelie. That's not a cop, is it? Yes, sir. Woo! Oh my god, my new visor's tight. Look at that. Look how cool that is. I haven't like really seen it, but oh my god. Woo. It's definitely not closed though. That's fucking tight. Fuck everybody else. Why is that not latching? Oh, I'm not excited for this ride back though, because it was so cold on the way over here. Also, I got a combo, but I didn't get the drink because I'm on my bike. And I'm not trying to drive with a fucking drink in my backpack. I've done it before. I kind of just like tape up the cup, tape the lid closed. I'll tape the lid closed and I kind of just shove it in my backpack and kind of put like my jacket around it so it doesn't move. And it's always fine. I've done it a few times, but those are on like short rides. This is kind of far away from my place, so I wasn't trying to do that. It's kind of just one of the L's you got to take when you're taking your bike everywhere. This, however, is not an L. There's no traffic. Thank you, sir. No traffic. Look at this. No traffic at all. It's kind of sketchy, I'm gonna be honest. But compared to the speed that all these other cars are driving right now, these guys stopped. That guy's wheels aren't moving. That's a little Lotus. That's pretty cool. But you know what I'm saying? These guys are stuck in a parking lot and I'm moving. Bikes are cool. Oh my god, my visor. It looks so good. Also, there's a rock in my shoe and it's been there since I've left and it's been bothering me the whole time. I don't know why. I don't know where it came from, how it got in there, but it's there. Thank you, sir. Thank you. No, thank you. Ah, thank you, sir. See, some people are so nice. Whoa, that was a little bit extreme, but thank you. Oh, it's cold. Look at this car. What is that? Is that a little Mazda 3? Yes, it is. Slammed to the ground. Oh my god. That's cool. Hi, thank you, sir. Very, very kind of you. Ooh, this is a little bit of tight squeeze. Excuse me. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Dodging the reflectors on the ground. Ah, I'm gonna run in this car. It's right there. I was trying to draw a smiley face. Ah, my fingers are dirty. I was trying to draw a smiley face and I kind of drew an unamused, regular face. Whoa! Ah, thank you, sir. Ah, thank you. Very kind. Look at that truck. Oh my god, I'm in B mode? I didn't even realize. I forgot. You guys know how I feel about B mode. This guy's going really slow for no reason. Oh, baby! Oh, we're slowing down. Coming through. Okay, look at that TRD. Oh, let's go! Did I hear wheelies? That was bad. Oh, it's cold. Whoa, buddy, that was kind of fast. Yeah, baby! Oh! I don't like this truck pulling up on me like that. The wind on this bike is crazy compared to my R1 because there's no big windshield. Woo! Excuse me. Oh, look at this guy. What a kind soul. Thank you. Braking. That is a lot of traffic. Where all these cars come from? Thank you. Oh my god. Please stay there. I need to get way over there. So I'm coming through. I love this off-ramp. Oh my god, more traffic. I'm just gonna keep going. Where are you? Where do all of you people have to go? What could you possibly need to do? None of these people are real. Do whatever the fuck you want. I'm not gonna fit through there. I did. I don't know why I said I wouldn't. I always do. Please stay there. Thank you, sir. Some people are so extreme when they scoot over. Like, that guy did not need to do all that. But I appreciate it either way. Look at this Civic. That boy is also slammed. Think I could duck under there? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Skadoosh, skadoosh. That is a lot of cars. A lot of stopping cars. Okay, bro, get over. Oh, don't. I was just thinking, with all this wind and how cold it is outside, I really hope my food's not cold when I get home. It's kind of a long drive, like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. That's not a little bit. Look at me. Look how cool I look. Oh, we're gonna do a little wheels for the road. This is gonna be it, guys. Thanks for coming out. Like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is gonna be the first official motovlog.